Alright, Micah, explain what's going to happen here.
11 o'clock on the tire.
Basically, we're going to take all this crap off. We put a chrome polish, whatever, AEM short rim intake to there. You take this little thingy and drill a hole in and then filter, and it'll be all shiny and it will be not ugly like this is. Okay, so that big ugly piece is out and it's not there and stuff. And this plugs into the master flow sensor. Yeah.
We got about another $10 an hour for premium labor, $10 an hour if you've worked on it before. It's $15 an hour if you watch. It's funny how to do that. This is Wild Child Motorsports.
That looks so badass.
Turn your light on. Okay, here's your hose right here, Beach.
Oh yeah, we might want to push all the hoses.
Yes! Rev it up. That sounds nice.